Hi guys, Shane from Northern Ghost Hunters. What we've got here is a Samsung Galaxy J5. I believe this is a 2015 version, and the 2016 version is basically exactly the same. It's the one where you can actually pull the back off so you can put a replacement battery in, and it's a bit easier to access. Andy Bailey from Infraready has literally change this camera. So the front facing camera, as you can see, is just normal, but then the normal facing camera, the forward facing camera, as you can see, it's full spectrum. So what I'll do is cut to Facebook live footage from an investigation last week, just so you can see what this baby can actually do.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.